Hey everyone, check out the Mikinona thumbpiano DIY accessories kit, perfect for kalimba lovers and musicians. This kit includes 5 sets of 17 keys, allowing you to replace worn-out parts or build your own thumbpiano. It's compact and portable, measuring just over 4 inches, making it easy to carry anywhere you go. Crafted with durable, high-quality materials, this kit ensures long-lasting performance for practice or live shows. The complete set comes with everything you need, so you can quickly assemble it without extra purchases. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, it supports your musical creativity and skills. Enjoy making beautiful music anytime with this versatile and practical kalimba kit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.